Good morning, ma'am. I am Shan Jaffal from class 5th C. This is my presentation of chapter Our Environment. Chapter 8 Our Environment. Environment. The condition in which you live, work, etc. Our environment contains both living things and non-living things. All living things, including us, depend on non-living things. For example, we need air to breathe and water to drink. We get these from environment around us. The food we eat also comes from plants and animals. We get raw materials like soil, sand, stones, etc. from the earth to build our homes and buildings. Pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can be created by human activities such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Air pollution. Air cities contain a lot of impurities. Smoke from industries and vehicles is the main source of air pollution. In the villages, many houses still use firewood and coal for cooking. This gives out smoke causing air pollution in the rural areas. Smoke from firecrackers also contributes to air pollution. People who breathe in the polluted air suffer from respiratory diseases like asthma, breathing problems, and lung cancer. Water pollution. The main source of water pollution are the waste from industries and the sewage pipelines that come from homes and other buildings. In the villages, the lake or rivers are polluted due to the various activities that are done in or near the water source. Villagers depend on the lake or river for washing clothes and bathing cattle. The dirt and soap from all this washing goes into the water and cause pollution. The solid waste dumped in the water also called water pollution. Made by Shan Jaffal from class 5th C. Thank you.